Welcome. This meditation is part of a Chakra Series, and in this session we will be energizing and balancing our third energy center, Solar Plexus Chakra, Manipura. Chakras are wheels or rings of radiating energy located at vital centers along the spine. When the Solar Plexus Chakra is balanced, you can experience greater confidence, clarity, motivation, and a deeper trust in yourself and your abilities. Let's begin. Find a comfortable upright position. Bring your hands to your knees or thighs. Close your eyes or find a soft gaze. Relax your shoulders and face. Take a deep breath in through the nose and a releasing sigh out the mouth. Notice if you're holding any tension in the body and send your next inhale to all those areas. And as you exhale, release and soften, letting go of any heaviness or unaligned energies you may have collected that no longer serve you. One more breath like that. Deep inhale through the nose. And a sigh out the mouth. Bring your breath now in and out the nostrils without changing the breath, simply observing the flow of your breaths in and your breaths out. Allow yourself to trust and surrender to all the sensations you receive. And now, on your next inhale, move your breath and awareness to the space right above the belly button. This is your solar plexus chakra, Manipura, related to your personal and mental power, your self-confidence, willpower, and courage, and your ability to move intention into action. Imagine a radiant golden yellow light glowing at the space above the belly button and at the equivalent space on your spine. A bright, powerful sun within you. And allow that light to expand and surround your upper abdomen and mid-back area. Take a deep breath in. And as you breathe out, allow your breath to illuminate this chakra like a brilliant golden sun, vibrant, warm, and powerful. You can internally affirm, I act with courage. I honor myself. My potential is unlimited. I accomplish tasks easily and powerfully. Remain here in awareness and continue to imagine that radiant yellow light glowing at the space above the belly button, through your upper abdomen and mid-back area. Slowly bring your awareness back to your body and the space that surrounds you. You can gently move fingers and toes, deepening your breaths. Notice all the sensations within you and reconnecting to the confidence, courage, and inner strength within. Take this awareness with you wherever you go, whatever you do. And whenever you're ready, you can slowly, gently open your eyes. Namaste.